Using color purple, start with a magic ring, chain 1 and work 8 single crochet inside the ring. Pull the end to close the ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 3. Work 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1 and into the next single crochet work 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch using the color pink. Start the round into 1 chain space and chain 3, then double crochet in the same 1 chain space, chain 1 and 2 more double crochet into the same chain 1 space. Move into the next 1 chain space and work in the same space 2 double crochet, chain 1 and another 2 double crochet, and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch using the color green. And start the round into one of the 1 chain space, either the last one or the first one. Chain 3 and work 4 more double crochet into the same 1 chain space. Then move into the next 1 chain space and work 5 double crochet and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch using the color pink. Start the next round into the 3rd double crochet chain 3 and work 2 more double crochet into the same stitch, then chain 2 and between the next 2 V stitches at the round 3 work a double crochet, then chain 2 and into the 3rd double crochet work 3 double crochet. Then chain 2 and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain using the color purple. Make 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the same stitch and then continue with one single crochet into each of the following stitches until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 3, and into the same stitch work 2 triple crochet, chain 3, and 2 more triple crochet into the same stitch. Then continue with 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, then 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. Then 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and repeat 3 more times this section to complete the square. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first triple crochet using the color of white. Chain 2, work 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches before the chain 3 space corner, into the 3 chain space corner, the next one and all the other 3, work 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, and then continue with 1 double crochet into each stitch until the next corner, and repeat until you will complete the square. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first double crochet, and the square is done.